from my side, what I have committed is a day's coaching camp. I would whoever bids the highest for the auction. So that's what, you know, in the promo also I had said, bid generously.
Hi, this is Madhavan. Let's share what we have with those that don't.
India needs your generosity and compassion.
We must do something special today.
तो आइए मिलकर किसी के लिए कुछ करें.
Together, let's make India a compassionate nation.
And since we are at school, our young citizen journalists, they are contributing to the joy of giving.
Your time starts now.
Young Gandhians in the making. Students of Akanksha Shindewadi Municipal School in Mumbai are bringing the change they want to see. They are contributing ₹1 at a time to help kids suffering from hearing disabilities by providing them hearing aid machines.
In Chennai, a group of autowalas provided a sumptuous meal to around 500 people as their contribution.
On day one of the Joy of Giving week, a sumptuous free meal to over 500 strangers, courtesy 30 drivers who contributed ₹1,000 each.
And in a unique concept, the Indian School of Business, or ISB in Hyderabad, organized an initiative called Shadow a CEO. Management students of ISB bid in an online auction to be able to spend a day with a CEO of their choice. The CEO or business leaders would match or increase the winning bidder's amount, and the total corpus would go towards charity, a social cause. Infosys chairman and chief mentor N.R. Narayanamurthy was one of the most sought-after CEOs in this program.
And finally, Bangalore is doing its bit for the Joy of Giving week. Children from the Makala Jagriti community centers living in the city's slums are getting a 3-day exposure to badminton from the very best in the business.
आज आपल्यासोबत आमची रिपोर्टर प्रियांका देसाई आहे आणि तिच्यासोबत करिश्मा गुप्ते आहे. करिश्माचं वैशिष्ट्य सांगायचं झालं म्हणजे करिश्मा लोकांकडून त्यांचे जुने बूट घेते आणि ते जुने बूट स्वच्छ करून काही फाटले असतील खराब झाले असतील तर ते दुरुस्त करून गरजू आणि गरीब लोकांना देते.
Volunteers from an NGO spent time with the elderly at a special home in Ahmedabad.
अगर आपके घर में कोई ऐसा सामान है जो आप इस्तेमाल नहीं कर रहे और उसे बांटना चाहते हैं जरूरतमंदों में, तो हिस्सा बन जाइए जॉय ऑफ गिविंग का। जो एक स्वयंसेवी संगठन की ओर से चलाए जा रहे इस अभियान के तहत पूरे देश में इस तरह की चीजों का कलेक्शन किया जा रहा है।
लखनऊ के लॉ मार्टिनियर गर्ल्स स्कूल में गिव इंडिया ने जब गूंज नाम के संगठन के साथ मिलकर जॉय ऑफ गिविंग वीक का आयोजन किया तो मानो पूरा शहर ही टूट पड़ा। बच्चे बूढ़े सबने अपनी पुरानी चीजों का दान किया।
Charity has always been very boring in the perspective of the lives we live in. I'd like to say that the interesting thing about the Joy of Giving week, to put it simply, is that if you want to do anything, there is no blueprint. You can go ahead and do it. If you want to go to a neighboring school and teach English for an hour every day in this week, please go ahead and do it.
44 CEOs, 4 fashion designers and an NGO doing together, well, working for a cause to raise money for transforming CEOs into models.
We have specifically targeted this Joy of Giving week, and I think people are doing very innovative things to tie in with them. This is one of them. So I think it deserves my personal support. This has nothing to do with corporate social responsibility.
Each event like this helps raise the impact of what people do. I think what people do, they normally do throughout the year. I would hope that things like this would spur more organizations to do more.
Udayaraj fled the raging war in Sri Lanka and sought refuge in Tamil Nadu in 1990. He completed his schooling here but couldn't go to college due to financial reasons.
Digital literacy ex-Nora chose him for a course in computer education, and now he is ready to start training many others like him.
एक भावुक एक्सपीरियंस है क्योंकि ये छोटे छोटे बच्चे जब ला के देते हैं और जब गूंज के बारे में कुछ सुनते हैं तो उनके अंदर जो हलचल होती है उससे, जैसे एक बच्ची भाग के गई क्लास से एक बिस्किट का पैकेट ले आई कि मैम इस बिस्किट के पैकेट को किसी भी बच्चे के पास पहुंचा देना जिसको ये चाहिए। जो ये था इतना एक तरह से खुशी से, जैसे कि ये महसूस हुआ कि वो बच्चा समझ गया है।
I think it's been a great experience for us. We can do this more often, maybe even once in 3 months, once in 6 months.
Wonderful.
We would be open to it because we are here anyway all the time. So I think it's a great experience and moment for them, for all these kids to play in this international kind of, facility.
इनका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहिए जो ये लोग अपना टाइम निकाल कर हम सब बच्चों को सिखा रहे हैं और हमें भी कुछ बनाना चाहते हैं लोग। ओके, पसंद है? हाँ, बहुत पसंद है। मुझे भी बनना है बड़ा होकर, एक प्लेयर बनकर अपने हिंदुस्तान की शान बनना है मुझे।
It's a lesson from these simple men that the joy of giving is all about how big is your heart and nothing about how deep is your pocket.